My name is Shuai Wang. I am the chef and owner of Jackrabbit Philly and King Barbecue here in Charleston, South Carolina. And this is my Russian style pot pie. My mom should usually make this with like some kind of stewed beef, either brisket or whatever. So we don't serve beef in our restaurant, or I also don't eat it just because it's not sustainable. So we got some local chicken here, chicken thighs. We have onions, potatoes, carrots, tomato puree, ketchup, Thai chili peppers, smoked paprika, and a little white pepper, and a healthy amount of butter for cooking the whole dish. Super easy, super simple, but it's just something I grew up with, and it's delicious. Start with a little butter. And once the butter is melted, we'll add in our chicken. So you're just cooking the chicken, not really browning it at all. Just doesn't have to have a really good sear. Just kind of let it cook till the outside is cooked through. All right, now you add your onions, diced carrots, diced potatoes. Get that a quick stir. And then I like to add in some smoked paprika. Just one or two of these dried chilies. Tiny bit of white pepper. Tomato sauce. And just one big heaping tablespoon of ketchup. Put the lid on there and let it stew. So this is usually where my mom stops. She'll serve a little rice and that's pretty much it. So I personally like to make it into a pot pie. So I would take this mixture and I'll put it in this pie tin and I'll put a piece of a paratha on top. If you guys haven't ever done that, paratha or roti or scallion pancakes from the Asian market makes an amazing pie crust. Yeah, you just want to make sure your chicken's cooked through, your potatoes are cooked through. Just let it slowly simmer for like a good 5-6 minutes. Once the chicken's cooked through and potatoes are done, scoop in your little whatever pie tin you have. I like to use a small one just so they're like individual size. Get some of that sauce in there. Okay. Whatever roti paratha that you can find. I prefer the roti or paratha over the scallion pancake just because it's made with butter. Scallion pancake is just made with oil. The butter is kind of basically like a pie crust, you know, like they cut in the butter and you roll it in there and puffs up super nicely, gets nice golden brown crispy. And I just kind of lay it on top and let it make sure it's covered. And then you put it in the oven for about 10-15 minutes, around 350. Yeah, and that's that. That's pretty damn good.